Our vocabulary learning target today is, I can identify and use adjectives. Adjectives describe people, places, or things. Adjectives can tell how a person or thing acts or what it is like. Round, smooth, crunchy, sour, and sweet are all examples of adjectives. Look for the adjective in this sentence. What a clever idea to go apple picking. Did you find the adjective? The adjective is clever. It describes the noun idea. Let's look over here at some examples. We can use our 5 senses to help us brainstorm adjectives. Narrow, square, they go with our sight or what we might see. Musical, booming, are adjectives that describe sound. Flowery and stinky are adjectives that describe smell. Describing how something tastes, we might say bitter or spicy. When we touch something, we might describe how it feels using the words silky or bumpy. And finally, we might describe what something is like or how it acts using the adjectives cozy and excited. Remember, adjectives are words that describe people, places, and things. You can use your senses to think of examples, such as your sight, touch, smell, sound, and taste. If you're ever unsure of what an adjective means, don't forget to look it up in the dictionary.